Yo, what's up, party people? We back with another haircut video. It's gonna be a temp fade. I'm pretty much gonna temp out the sides and the back, okay? Starting off by balding out the bottom. Now I'm taking the side down to about a 1, okay? One with the level closed and I'm going with the braid. Alright? Now first things first, I'm gonna fade the sides real good and neat. I'm trying to get everything leveled. And I'm pretty much gonna work this, I guess this is the client's left side. I'm gonna work it, try to get it as good as possible. Then I'm gonna work my way towards the back, okay? Now, this is the thing about when you're doing a temp fade like this. You don't really have a lot of room to work with. So you wanna make every stroke or everything count, okay? You wanna pay attention to what you're doing. Use your space wisely because you don't have a lot of room, okay? As you can see, I got the clips holding the hair up and I'm just fading and I'm going backwards, okay? Now I got the clips on the back of the head, okay? I brush the hair down. I'm gonna grab my one guard and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna actually start fading downwards. I'm using the Barbers FX1. I think that's what the name of the trimmers are, clippers are. But yeah, I got the one guard going down and I'm going with the grain, okay? And then I'm gonna go fade against the grain, all right? And the same thing I did with the left side of the head, I'm gonna do in the back, okay? Just want to kind of make sure I take all of the hair down to where it's all even, and then I'm gonna start fading my way up, okay? All the way to the rim, all right? And it's pretty straightforward. If you know my step fading process, open, close, halfway, no guard, one guard, and back down to the half guard. It's real simple, okay? If you don't understand that, just click on some of my other videos and it pretty much breaks down the whole fade process. All right. Now, after I finish doing the back right here, I'm going to work my way to the right side of the client's head and I'm going to do the same exact thing, okay? As you can see, I'm kind of taking my time with it, working my way up, all right? And I think right now I probably got the half guard on there. So pretty much took out the bottom line and I'm just fading my way up, okay? I know we're kind of bouncing around a little bit, but be patient. Okay, so we're on the right side now, okay? All right, just balled it out the bottom, so now I'm gonna grab the one guard, same thing. Oh, well, no, I'm still working on the back. Anyways, this is a voiceover. I probably saw a little bit bulk on the back, so I'm just trying to clean that part up, okay? Now we're working on the sides. Perfect. Grab the one guard, but instead of going against the grain, I'm going with the grain. Well, instead of going with the grain, I'm going against the grain. Then I'm gonna come back down and go with the grain, okay? There we go. Going with the grain, just to lay everything down, okay? So instead of going with the grain first, I went against the grain first, but I still came back and did it. All right, now I'm fading right below that with the no guard. So I'm not doing it in order. I know what I did on the other side, so I'm just pretty much doing the same thing on this side, but just in different order, okay? Once I get this side faded real good, I'm gonna work on trying to clean up the hairline with the alcohol and just trying to make sure everything is clean and debris free. And then I'll start the process of doing the hairline. But before I do that, I'm probably gonna go back to the left side and just do some work to make sure it matches this right side a little bit, okay? All right. So that's just on the right side. We already looked at the back. Oh, well, I'm lining up the back right now. Making sure the back is all lined up. All right. And clear that out right there. So now we're in the front, okay? You gotta make sure you start in the middle, and I tend to work my way to the right. It works best for me. One thing that's good about recording yourself doing haircut videos, you can always look to see what your flaws are if you make any mistakes. I noticed that when I start off my hairline, if I go focus on going to the left before I go right, sometimes I tend to curve. But this time I'm starting off going right, taking it over, and then doing my vertical bars. Then after doing this, I work my way to the left side, okay? So now all I gotta do is start to try to match the left side with the right side, and then I get it perfectly straight, okay? So that's very important. You gotta know which one is your strong side and which one is your weak side. For me personally, I go right first and then I go left, all right? It works for me. Then I'll work on my vertical bars on this side right here. And before I move on, I am going to work on the left side, which is your right side, whoever's watching this video, but my client's left side, and I'm gonna just try to even it out with the client's right side, okay? So it sounds like I'm doing it backwards, but I'm actually saying it the right way, all right? Do a little mustache here, clean that up a little bit. Okay, cool. So as you notice that the client's, that right there is a little darker than the other side on the temp fade. So what I'm gonna do is after I finish this mustache, I'm gonna go ahead and lighten it up a little bit, okay? That way it matches. There we go. So all I did was went against the grain with the one guard, and I'm just kind of fading it on up so it can match both sides. No such thing as a perfect haircut, so sometimes you have to go back and clean up your work or do some detail work. That's pretty much what I did right there. So I'm comfortable with that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and I needed more work. But what I'm gonna do is go ahead and drop some enhancements. You guys tell me if you like what you see. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, y'all. CustomMadeBarberschool.com.